everyone, I am Pallavi and today we are discuss about the SAR of cephalosporin. So cephalosporin are beta-lactam antibiotics and closely related structurally and functionally to penicillin. Cephalosporin have 7 amino cephalosporinic acid nucleus and are obtained from the fungus Cephalosporium. So next, we discuss about the structural activity relationship of cephalosporin. So, before start the SAR of cephalosporin, we have to know about the structure of cephalosporin. So, here structure of cephalosporin, and we have to know the basic rings present in a cephalosporin. Okay, so basic ring and structure of cephalosporin. So first one is a ring A. So ring A is beta-lactam ring and ring B is dihydrothiazine, and this one is there is a side chain is present, so that is called as a acyl amido side chain. Okay, so this is the basic ring and structure of cephalosporin. So next one is, here is the structure. So here from this point we start the structural activity relationship of cephalosporin. So before start the SAR, we have to know about the number and position of atoms present in a structure. So let's see the numbering of the structure. So first start with the sulfur. Okay, so here sulfur is a first number, then second, third, here is the one substituent is present, that is X. Then fourth carbon atom, here is a carboxylic acid substitution is present. Next, fifth number, then 6, 7, here is a one acyl amido substitution is present. Okay, and eighth one is a ketone group present at 8th position. Okay, so all these groups or all these atoms which are essential for activity. Okay, so what are the substituents and their activity is based on the structure. Okay, so let's start the structural activity relationship with sulfur atom. So sulfur atom, there is a first point is a oxidation. So sulfur is oxidized with sulfur dioxide. Okay, sulfur is oxidized. When sulfur is oxidized and it is converted into sulfur dioxide, then the activity of the structure is reduced. Okay, so structure activity is reduced. Okay, when activity is reduced, when sulfur is converted or sulfur is oxidized into sulfur dioxide. Then when it is replaced with methyl, when sulfur is replaced with methyl, okay, then the stability of structure is greater. Okay, so stability of structure is greater at what point? When sulfur is replaced with methyl. Okay, next one is when sulfur is replaced with oxygen, then the activity of structure is increased. Okay, when the sulfur is replaced with oxygen, then their activity of structure is increased. Okay, so next one is a third position substituent. So if here acetoxy group is inserted, okay, acetoxy group is inserted, then it can be administered orally. Okay, if we insert the acetoxy group, okay, then it increases it administered orally. Next, it influences the pharmacokinetic and pharmacological properties of structure. When modification, if any modification is occur, then it reduces the degradation of structure. Okay, if any modification occur on third position, okay, any substitution present on third position, then it reduce the degradation of structure. Okay, next is a double bond. So third and fourth, double bond is present in between third carbon atom and fourth carbon atom. Then third and fourth double bond is essential for antibacterial activity. If the double bond is replaced, okay, if the double bond is replaced or it is saturated, then it decreases the activity of cephalosporin. So we have to know the 3 and 4 double bond which is responsible for the antibacterial activity of the structure, and it is essential. Okay, then next is a 7-acyl amino substitution. So 7-acyl amino substitution, here acetylation of amino group, increase then potency towards gram positive but decrease the negative, gram negative potency is decreased. Okay, acylation of amino group, okay, acylation of amino group increase the potency towards gram positive bacteria but decrease gram negative bacteria. Substituent with the aromatic ring, okay, if any substitution, here R group, okay, here R group is substituted with the aromatic ring, then it increase the lipophilicity. Okay, when R is substituted with aromatic ring, then it increase the lipophilicity and it provide the higher gram positive activity. It provides higher gram positive activity but lowers the gram negative activity. Okay, so if any substitution, that is aromatic substitution, present on acyl amino side chain, then it increase the lipophilicity and provide the higher gram positive activity but lowers gram negative activity. Okay, next R, okay, here phenyl ring, okay, phenyl ring in side chain can be replaced with the heterocyclic ring. Okay, so here aromatic ring is replaced with any heterocyclic ring. Okay, so heterocyclic ring replace के, then it increase the pharmacokinetic activity and spectrum of activity. Okay, so phenyl ring is replaced with aromatic ring, then the structure, then the drug, okay, or structure increase the pharmacokinetic activity and spectrum of activity. Spectrum of activity and pharmacokinetic activity is increased. Then here, which are the heterocyclic groups? That is the pyridine and imidazole, which increase the activity. Okay, so which are the heterocyclic ring? That is a pyridine and imidazole. Okay, these two heterocyclic rings which are replaced with the heterocyclic ring is substituted at the which is substituted on ring, then it increases the activity and spectrum of activity, and it also increases the pharmacokinetic activity of the drug. Okay, so if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for listening my video. Okay, bye.